Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I was discussion for you today WordPress development. So let's start. On your Google Chrome, type WordPress development header. So showing your result for WordPress development. What is a WordPress developer? A WordPress developer is a professional that specializes in the infrastructure and ecosystem of the WordPress platform that might focus on improving the WordPress software itself or creating new products, particularly plugin and them. So let's continue. How do I learn WordPress development? 8 types sources for learning to code of WordPress. Number 1, view the PHP tutorials at W3 School. Number 2, view the WordPress development for beginner series. Number 3, view the learn WordPress development videos. Number 4, view the WordPress development courses at Udemy. Number 5, view the courses at WP Sessions. Number 6, view the professional WordPress book at Amazon.com. What is WordPress development services? Total WordPress development services maximize content management system functionality, companions and startup work with top WordPress expert to augment their developers, their team for WordPress, their team customize web development and other WordPress projects. Does WordPress need coding? If you want to divide into creating website equally with WordPress, you do not need to be able to write code, as you can get a lot done with the no code part of WordPress.